Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your GM Energy account for EV charging schedules, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your GM Energy account for EV charging schedules, begin by ensuring you have your GM account details ready. Open the GM Energy app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, navigate to the Login section. Enter your registered email address and password associated with your GM account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After logging in, go to the Settings menu within the app. Locate the section labeled Account Settings or Account Authentication. Tap on the option to authenticate your account. You may be prompted to enter additional information for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. This may include verifying your email or phone number through a confirmation code. Check your email inbox or SMS for the code and enter it into the app. Once verified, your account should display a confirmation message. Now, return to the main menu of the app. Select the option for EV charging schedules. You will now be able to set and adjust your charging preferences. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the Help section of the app. For additional support, consider visiting the GM Energy website or contacting customer service. Your GM Energy account is now authenticated, allowing you to effectively manage your EV charging schedules. Stay on top of your energy usage and optimize your EV charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.